Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to add a Visa gift card to your digital wallet. Whether it's for easy shopping or just keeping things organized, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Visa gift card is activated and has a balance. You can usually check this on the card's website or by calling the number on the back. Once that's confirmed, open your digital wallet app. I'm using Apple Wallet as an example, but the process is similar for Google Wallet or Samsung Wallet. Step 1. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone or the equivalent on your Android device. If you don't have it, download it from your App Store, it's free and secure. Next, tap the plus icon or Add Card button to start the process. Now, you'll need to enter your card details. For a Visa gift card, you might scan the card using your phone's camera or manually input the card number, expiration date, and CVV code found on the back. After that, follow any on-screen prompts to verify the card. This could involve entering a verification code sent via text or email from your gift card issuer. Once verified, your card will appear in your wallet. Pro tip: double-check that the card is set as a payment method and test it with a small purchase to ensure it works smoothly. Adding your Visa gift card to your wallet not only makes payments quicker but also helps track your spending. If you run into issues, like the card not being accepted, contact your card's customer service. They're there to help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.